Have you ever seen an image put down on concrete and thought to yourself, I'm not an artist, there's no way I could do that? Well, this video, we're gonna explain to you exactly how to do that. You can use any image, any color combinations, and end up with a result just like this. So stay tuned, and we're gonna show you exactly how to do this. All right, let's. This one? I guess, yeah.
Okay.
Here's scissors down. Who needs them? But I'm gonna set them
right
on 1 second, bro.
He's just trying to get in.
I'm trying to get in there. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yeah. I'm liking it. I'm liking it.
Here. Cut it.
Let's go ahead and just roll it now.
Am I good here?
You look, I mean, from what I can tell,
nice and easy,
just roll it right down.
Is that on the saw cut?
Yes.
It's like doing graphics, huh, Ben?
Yeah. Yeah, just like it.
Concrete graphics.
All right, now we're just gonna, I'm gonna keep working this that way.
And we'll keep your slack out and just ride with it. Aaron, I'm just gonna pull it off, okay? Yeah. Slowly, but I mean, yeah, good.
I whacked my hand and
don't get
like my finger was gone. He's like,
my finger was
off the concrete.
Would you have to pick your finger up, put it back on, huh?
No, I would have done the same shit.
Fine, right? We think you got a hook in it?
No, I think it did get flat.
God, you have a way with words sometimes, bro.
I'm sorry.
I'm just pushing it down. I'm working the air bubbles out that way, so I'm pushing hard all the way up to the crease.
I think if I keep it low like this,
exactly what you do. Yep. That has to line up with that.
Right on top.
But this has to line up with this. So in order for this to line up, there's a gap there.
Right.
You have to imaginary a fake line going across, okay? So I mean, we could still pull it in a little, but like that's about it.
Sandblast it all.
Right, right. Just the outside will mask.
Right.
Just try not to move it yet.
Before, Ben, right?
Yeah. Does that look good?
I mean, my side looked like it went down flat.
You don't feel a ridge there, babe?
Mm-mm.
Okay. This is the easy one, y'all. I hate to say it, but the main thing that's got to stay is out there where you're at. Like,
yep, I'm keeping
all this whole soldier's coming out.
Nice, guys.
Nice, guys.
Very, 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 very good.
Yeah, I told you.
Beautiful work.
And what we need to do is cut some ram board to go all the way around it. Yep, let's just peel all this tape up. Real easy on the concrete.
Absolutely.
Freaking razor, baby.
What?
I can't tape that there.
Why?
Wait for this to come up, don't I?
No, none of that comes up.
Oh, yeah. Duh.
Yeah. Yeah, I know it.
Brian.
I know it.
I do know it.
You're about like the bub number 2.
Huh?
Riley's about like bub number 2.
Why?
Cause look at him. He does that all the time, don't he?
Hey,
y'all are the same.
he does take some
Y'all, you gonna learn today.
You're gonna learn today, boy.
You know what I want to know if they got it? Can you get anything you want? I want to get a fucking hammerhead.
A hammerhead. You sure not a ray?
Or a fucking big ray.
You're really good, bro. You are the man, bro.
Not my first rodeo.
Hell, your first rodeo wasn't even the first rodeo, was it?
It wasn't. Nah. Done a few of these though. Did it over
I'm always nervous about every one of these.
I did that bear. You know that bear at that?
You know it?
Oh yeah,
I
that one too. So I'm good. Yeah.
I get nervous about every one because man, they could go wrong right quickly.
So what do I do, Ben? If this
Leave that. That's good. We just gotta pull it up.
Well, we're gonna peel it up. I just want to save. I want to save these.
Tape is good, I mean.
So just slide all this back just a little bit. Give us some room. This one will slide back a little bit. Yeah, just real carefully and slowly peel this up because I do not want it stripping the sealer.
No, we don't.
That's potentially.
Potentially.
Your observance was potentially precisely on point here.
Hey, that was
That
good.
was a little strong for me there, you know?
It
No,
was.
I was really working on that line. I'll bullshit this up.
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
It doesn't look centered?
No, it's fine.
It's obviously you don't think it looks centered. I think it looks perfectly centered. Because I'm looking right in the middle and that's right down the middle of his back. All right, babe, now how do you put this one on? All right, guys, so it's gonna take everybody here. I got my end right, so I can see what sandblasted. Are you right on the head? All right, we got our second stencil here, and so we got this put down, and you may notice these little holes right here. And what these are is they're just indications showing when you peel your sandblast stencil up that this lines up. So every one of those is an outline of where the end of your stencil was, so you can see how it stops there, and that lines right up on the end. And so we're gonna start peeling this thing back and get it put down, and you will see an American flag soldier here in just a minute. All right, let's lift this up. So same thing. Hey, tune into Bub's sophistication station.
Yeah.
All right, easy now.
Hey,
Tune in.
hey.
Learn
All right,
something.
lift it up.
Ready?
Yes, sir. All right, well, I'll get this side.
So this is kind of a bitch to get off of here.
Hey, your line's good here. I don't know.
From what I can tell, it is, yeah.
Yeah.
So Riley, you'll have to hold, look, right here.
There we are. Got it? Yeah, no. There we go. Alright, yep. Yep, there she goes. Alright. I got my half of on my side.
You ain't got no half now.
I got my side.
I got almost all the way.
Well, just make
Bub's
sure
got
that
his corner.
tape is good,
I
Bob.
got you. I'm going with you.
Yep.
All right, now we got a wrinkle in it, so hang tight.
Right.
Just hang tight. Let me
Yep,
pull
yep.
this up. All right, I think we got it up enough to where we just got to be careful because there's a wrinkle right by your foot, babe.
I'm gonna hold it down flat, okay?
You got all that? No, Riley, always work from the middle out, bro. You can't do that because you'll get a wrinkle just like that, and then we're fucked. See, all this is wrinkled now. You always work from the middle out.
Hold on, I gotta pull this nice and slow.
The stars are gonna be the ones that wanna roll. All right, let me push down.
That way, Bub. I'm gonna keep on pulling real slow. Up, hold on, your side, Bub.
I see it. There we go.
On it a little bit. There you go. I think see it.
I think.
I didn't see it.
That's it, guys.
Got it? Oh, God, I'm getting old. That was kind of... Yeah, that works so much better, Ben, to keep that crease.
Yeah.
You just push it with your finger, right?
So walk the outside and then that whole edge real
Not
good.
where the-
We need that backing. We need that paper.
Okay.
We gotta pull stripes and stars and shit and save it. And we need a Sharpie. No, flip it over because our sticker is stuck that way. Yep.
Is that it?
All right. Yeah, I think so. So like that.
That's it.
And
That's
like
it.
that.
That's it.
This is where things get tricky. If you notice all the numbers and letters on here, we had to label everything because we have to pull some of the stickers off. Ready? We walk all this down, look at that. All that's gotta be pushed down, Riley. In front of me, just keep pushing that shit down.
Down in them grooves, Bub. You know what I mean?
Let me see.
Yeah, go ahead.
Most of the white stars and the white pieces put back on. Bubba's putting this big one on right here. You can see he's going right back over the white, and it is raining. So man, wish us luck. These stencils are expensive, and we still got 2 more colors to do, so hopefully it doesn't get any worse. All right guys, well, it's about 5 o'clock, and we were right in the middle of this thing. Probably needed about 30-45 minutes to get it done, and it wasn't supposed to rain till 7 o'clock, and here it is 5, and about 4:15 we got a torrential downpour, had a canopy up. The guys are working hard with blowers and rags trying to keep the water from running into our stencil, but it ended up getting soaking wet, and the stencil started peeling, so we just had to call it, and we'll just come back and get another stencil and finish the blue and red, and we'll show you guys how it turns out. But just for you guys that face stuff like this, you're not alone. Nothing ever goes perfect, and you just gotta try to roll with the punches, and we'll show you what it looks like when we finish up. So take 2 with the stencil, since our last one got ruined with water and rain. Really want to give a huge shout out to Floor Maps for sending this back out to us. They overnighted it, did not charge us. Really awesome company. If you guys need any stencils or logos done, reach out to Floor Maps. And so we're gonna try and get this thing put down and hopefully finished up. They're about to start a ball game, so we got a big air compressor out here. We're gonna see how this goes, and we'll let you know. Stencil is stuck down. We're gonna spray the red first, which means we have to keep the stickers on the white and on the blue. Spray the red, seal it, let it dry, and we'll show you the next steps. All right, we got our red covered back up, the white covered up, and now we're about to spray the last color, which is blue. We got our blue down and sealed, and we are ready to pull the stencil. Alright guys, that's a wrap. So now y'all know how to put down a sandblast stencil, you know how to sandblast it, and you know how to add the dye and also seal it. So just remember, you can do this with any image that any of your clients can find online with any color combinations. Hope this helps. Let us know in the comments what you would do differently or what you'd like to see us do next, and we'll catch you on the next one.